Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to all. Today we are going to learn on how to crimp CAT6 network cable. The process is easier than you think. Lend me your ears and eyes for a few minutes. Let's start. Tools introduction. The first one, we need RJ45 crimping tool. Number 2, we need a cable slicer. We need a cable cutter. Number 4, we need a cable tester, a pair of rubber boot, RJ45 connector, and the last one, cable CAT6. Step 1. Strip the plastic sheath or the PE jacket about 1 inch or 2.5 cm from the tip of the CAT6 cable. Step 2. Insert the exposed CAT6 tip cable into a rubber boot. Step 3. Untwist the wires and pair the wires that is similar in color. Step 4. Carefully remove the separator which is located in the middle. Step 5. Align and arrange the wires according to the color and following the RJ45 pin-out T568B protocol. It can be seen in the diagram above. Step 6. Carefully pinch the wires and make sure they are straight and aligned together properly according to their color format. Step 7. Measure the wires with the RJ45 connector in order to get the specific length. Step 8. Carefully cut the excessive wires in a straight line. Step 9. Insert the aligned wires into the RJ45 connector. Make sure it goes in perfectly. Refer to the picture shown as guidance. Step 10. Insert the RJ45 connector into the crimping tool. Make sure it is properly placed in the tool and press the crimping tool firmly. Step 11. Double check the placement of wires by checking their position from the RJ45 connector. Step 12. Cover the RJ45 connector with the rubber boot. Step 13. Repeat the process and procedures at the other end of the CAT6 cable. Step 14. Now, test the cable with a cable tester to diagnose the connection stability. That's it for our tutorial on how to crimp CAT6 network cable. Until next time, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day all.